Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have access and credentials. Authenticate with a personal access token or as login so Git can push. Once authenticated, open a terminal and clone the repository using git clone repo URL into your chosen directory. Make sure to use the correct branch name if not master. Then change into that folder, list files, and verify remote. Origin. URL points to your Azure repo. This gets you into a safe local. Now you make the code changes you need, edit files, run unit tests, and ensure the build succeeds locally. Once ready, stage the specific files with git add file 1 file 2 or stage everything with git add. For clarity, craft a descriptive commit message and run git commit m feature, concise description. If you need to amend, use git commit amend. Make sure your commits follow team conventions so reviewers understand intent and scope before you push. Finally, push your branch to Azure with git push origin branch. Once done, open Azure DevOps and create a pull request to merge into the target branch, assign reviewers, and add a description. Monitor the CI pipeline and address any failing jobs, fix tests, or adjust pipeline steps as needed. If push is rejected, pull remote changes first with git pull rebase and resolve conflicts locally. Troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, regenerate your PAT and update git credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.